How to remove link from Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you'll be landing on your profile. Now you can see a link over here on your bio. So what you can simply do in order to remove it is to tap on the option of edit profile. As you tap on edit profile, so here you can just scroll down and tap on the option of links under bio. So let's tap on links over here, and you can now simply tap on the link that you'd want to remove. Tap on the arrow side button. So let's select on this and tap on remove link over here, and then tap on remove. So now you can just go to your bio and you can check, and here you have another link over here. So we're going to remove this one as well. So let's do that, remove it, and now let's go to our profile, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.